Hi guys, today we are making the most delicious chicken stew guys. So if you want to know how I cook this amazing delicious stew, watch this video to the end, like, share and comment. Guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel, please do me well by hitting the subscribe button for more updates. Turn on your notification bell. You guys are all welcome. To my subscriber, greeting to everyone. I greet you all. Thanks for watching my video, commenting and sharing. Guys, as you can see on this video, I'm putting the seasoning I want to use to season the chicken. Guys, as you can see on this video, I already put ginger and thyme. So I put maggi. This is maggi. Okay, why this is onions and garlic I add inside. After adding it, I add salt. After adding salt, I will mix it together, as you can see on this video. After mixing it, I cover it and put it for fire to cook. Here is the tomatoes I use. So I filter it. This is how I filter the tomatoes I use. I pour the tomatoes in the filter so that the water will drop. As it is hot, guys, let's take some fresh pepper that we want to use for the stew, guys. So I'm taking the pepper, as you can see here. So this pepper is hot. So I'm done cutting it. It's time for me to blend it. So guys, let's check the meat out. So we check the chicken. The chicken is cooking very well, as you can see on this video. So I turn it together. Make sure I turn it very well and I taste it also. So when I taste it, it tastes very nice. I cover it back to cook. So here is the blended pepper and onions. So let's take some egg that you want to use. So we are going to use 10 egg. I take some 10 egg, but I later add 4 eggs. So I wash it before cooking it, guys. As you can see, I added salt. Now put it for fire to cook. So let's go ahead and check our lovely chicken again. We add water inside. So we turn it. After turning it, we cover it back to cook very well. So here is the tin tomatoes I want to make use of. So I put it inside the plate. After putting it, guys, I will also add in the blended onions and pepper. As you can see, I pour it inside. This is wife material in the kitchen. Who they run and I only wife material. I make sure I mix it very well. So here is the tomatoes and the pepper. So let's take some oil. This is granite oil we want to make use of. We are putting it inside the pot, as you can see. Guys, share this video, guys. So I added some onions inside before pouring the chicken inside. So guys, I want to fry the chicken. I don't need chicken that is too much fried. So just watch this video. You'll see how I fry the chicken. So this is the consistency I want for the chicken. So I don't allow it to dry. So I remove the chicken. So I remove the chicken. I have to support the chicken with my hand because the spoon that I'm using is too small. So that is the chicken. Here is the onions. So I pour in the onions inside the oils. So I'm using the same oil I used to fry the chicken, guys. So here is the blended pepper and the tomatoes I mix. So I will also add the multi tomatoes. So I add the two at the same time, guys, and I mix it together. I make sure I mix it very well. Guys, if you taste this stew, it's so sweet and delicious. This is Christmas stew now. You know when you cook Christmas stew, you get that vibe when they get now. So this stew be. So that is the rice you want to use, guys. I put the rice for fire already. So I turn it and cover it back. So let's check the stew. So it's time to turn the stew. We are turning it, guys. The stew is stewing. So I add in some curry. I also put no maggi inside. As you can see, just one no maggi. Just one inside. So I added salt. After adding it, I turn it together. I turn it very, very well, very well. So those people that is doing voiceover, you guys are trying. I don't even know how to do it. So here is the rice. I parboiled it. It's time for me to wash it. So this is how we wash our rice in Africa. So we have to wash it like that. we parboil it. So if you don't boil the rice, you use salt and hot water to wash it. So this one I parboil it. I say let me wash it very well. So I'm done washing it. I add it inside the pot, put water inside. So I add everything at the same time. I don't need to wait for the water to boil first. So I add everything at the same time. So I added salt. After adding salt, I cover it to cook, guys. So let's check the stew. The stew is stewing now, as you can see. You can see the stew. The stew is stewing, guys. So I added water inside. That is the fish, the meat stock. I add the meat stock inside. I also add the chicken inside. As you can see, this stew is stewing, guys. Who they run na na wife material they run na. If you see the vibe of this stew, guys, you will not taste any other stew again. I don't use a fish, just chicken and eggs I use on this stew. Guys, if you test it, God. So I dey like use so many oil on my stew. After cooking it, I can remove some oil. As you can see on this video, guys, this is yummy. So it's time for me to peel the egg. But this egg is very stubborn to peel. As I dey peel am, the egg no wan pick for me. E dey pick the body join. I can't leave am o. I come say okay now let me add the one that I peel inside. So the remaining three I add it inside the rice. Maybe it is not cooked well. That is why it's like that. It's lie o. That is how the egg is. So we are here to turn the stew again, guys. Now dey feel this stew. Take small and use it to chop many rice. This is the vibe of this stew. God, oh God, this is stew now. Who they run now? Come and learn how to cook. If you want to know how to cook that village food that you want, come here, come and learn it. So guys, I remove some oil. You can see that I remove some oil from the stew. So anytime I cook stew, the oil is too much, I will remove some oil. And it is good to use so many oil to cook stew. Later on, you remove the oil. So that vibe, the sweetness will be there. But if you cook stew without no oil, if you taste it after that day, the sweet will not be okay at all. The taste will not be okay at all. So you can see the stew. The stew is stewing. So I added the 3 eggs, so as you can see. I later added the 3 eggs and I cover it, guys. Wow, since you na, since you na, it's still really, guys. Share this video. What do you think about this stew now? What do you think about it? This stew is ready, guys. Do me well by sharing, like, and comment. Subscribe.